friends, welcome back to Hosted by Chrissy. Today I'm participating in the What's in Your Cleaning Caddy Challenge hosted by my friend Kimberly Davis of DIVA Designing on a Dime. Kimberly wants to know what's in our cleaning caddies. I do use a couple of different cleaning caddies around my home, specifically two of them. There's one on the upper level in my linen closet that I basically use only to store cleaning items because the floor of the closet is carpeted. So I won't be sharing that one today, but I will be sharing with you the cleaning caddy that I use at least every other day around my home because for whatever reason, we seem to get quite a bit of dust here. So I'm constantly dusting, or maybe I'm just OCD about dusting. It's quite possible that I am. I have such horrible allergies and asthma, I'm always dusting. So I'm going to share my small caddy with you. Before we get started, make sure you click that subscriber link down below. And if you like today's video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. I'm sure that you will like it. In fact, I'm almost positive that you will. Feel free to share this video with anyone that you know that may be interested in this content or in the content of this channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, make sure you leave any comments or suggestions or compliments even down in the comment section below. I always read them and I always respond to them. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll make sure I link Kimberly's channel in the description box along with a playlist for this challenge as soon as it becomes available. Stay tuned. This is the cleaning caddy that I use around my house on a daily basis. I will share with you exactly what's in it, but the basket itself was thrifted and it was a recent thrift. So you'll actually see this again in a thrift haul video because I have not yet done the haul. I just decided to go ahead and use this basket as a cleaning caddy because I absolutely love the shape of it. That was even before I knew about this challenge. So let's go ahead and get started with what's in here. I thought it would be easier to do an overhead shot of the basket and just go through the items pretty quickly with you. Let's start at the far end of the caddy. I purchased these rubber gloves at Target in the dollar spot. These gloves were $3. They do come in a few different colors and designs. I only use these gloves for the purposes that I use this cleaning caddy. I do have a separate pair of gloves that I use for doing dishes. This little cotton cloth is perfect for dusting. I do like to use this cloth when I use window cleaners. It is 100% cotton and lint free. These are $1 at the Target dollar spot. I did throw out my old ones, so I bought one of these just to try it out. I also like to use microfiber cloths for dusting. I have a couple of them here in the basket. I do have others, but I don't like to crowd the basket out. If I do recall, they do sell these at the Dollar Tree, but I bought a huge bag of them last year at my local Bed Bath & Beyond store. I also like to use sponges on occasion. These are not very rough, but they do have a little bit of scrubbing power to them. These were purchased in a pack of 9 or 10 from IKEA. I never reuse sponges. If I use it once, I always throw it away. It may seem kind of wasteful, but I really don't like to reintroduce germs to an area that I've cleaned. So if I've used it for an entire day, I throw it away. From the dollar store, I love these little dusters. These are a great substitution for the more expensive name brand dusters that you can buy. I've used these on several occasions and they work very well for quick dusting. Also from the Dollar Tree, these window wipes come in so handy. My dog loves to put his nose on the door, especially after I've cleaned it. So these really are great for quick touch-ups. touch-ups to tables, and you name it, for glass they work really well. As we move down in the basket, I'll start with these spray bottles. This is just some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Spray. This is a multi-surface everyday spray. I do buy 1 or 2 scents each season. This is the peony scent, and so far I have not found one that I don't like. I use these for surfaces that are not glass, that can be cleaned with a multi-surface cleaner. I also on occasion use a vinegar and water spray, and that's what is in this little Target dollar spot bottle. This little bottle was $1, and I just love the fact that it matches all of the other few items that I picked up. Speaking of perfect windows, if you have never tried Hope's Perfect Glass, let me tell you, you are missing out. Your glass will look brand new, sparkling clear if you try this cleaner. I love it. I picked mine up at my local Home Depot, but they do sell it in several different sizes at Bed Bath & Beyond where you can use coupons. Luckily, I was able to get a military discount on this one, so I did save 10%, but 20% off would have been much better. Last but not least, I use this Goddard's Cabinet Maker's Wax on all of my wood surfaces. It works so wonderfully. On occasion I even use it on my countertops just to make them shine a little bit. It doesn't have a strong scent. It makes wood sparkle like new. I absolutely love it. This was $4.99 at HomeGoods. I have a couple other items to share with you. This little gadget here, I also purchased this one at Bed Bath & Beyond because the one that I had was just done for. It's just a little piece of, like, I don't know what you call it, like plastic foam type stuff. I think it was $4.99. It seems expensive, but trust me, it's worth $5. But I did get 20% off with my coupon. This little gadget gets pet hair off of your furniture literally in a flash. You just take it and hold on to it, and it's shaped this way because you can use it on stairs, and it works wonderfully. We only have one pet right now, a dog with medium hair, so on occasion we have excess pet hair around, so I use this on all of my fabric furniture and on the stairs before I vacuum them. Finally, my handy dandy little dustpan. I absolutely adore the colors of this pan, and I have been looking for one that has a nice sturdy brush for quite some time. This was $5 at the Target dollar spot.